Koro medore kaonti ma Isiolo bang' jomoko mapok oyangi tiayo mach e apisi mar jagoro mar kaonti no kendo ketho apisi mag od bura ma kaonti no. En masira manyo obedo odiechieng' manyoro kendo nokelo kethruok madongo ka director marango jotije e kaonti no Jared Losano ochiwo lipot ni nochuno jotich makanyo mondo owuog e apisi mapiyo bang' buog mar ngimagi. Obok mitiyo godo e apis no ne owang' duto mak mana mago mag chudo manokanie mbui. Komishona manyien mar kaonti no David Kiprop, komanda mar kaonti no Paul Wambugu kod jagoro mar kaonti no Dade Boru okwedo tim makamano ka giwacho ni mago gin timbe mag temo rocho chenro mag kaonti.
So why should we come back and destroy our own property, our own resources? So we are appealing to members of the public wakue calm, wangoje outcome ya investigation ya officers. We are still appealing to you people, make sure the rule of law, people should respect that. People should be arrested. They are youths.
We can confirm that they left behind quite a bit of destruction. We are yet to get to know exactly, how much destruction they did.
We are not going to leave any stone unturned. This matter was done during the day. We are going to make a list. As you have heard, some of the people who are being held by the DCI, they are under investigation, and they will be arraigned in court as long as evidence is there. We have quite a table that we need to investigate and make sure that all those who participated in the commission of those offenses, they are arraigned in court.